Hey there, BSB Clean Team. My name is Mick Julian, and in this video, I'm going to show you what we really do and show you three things that you guys can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely, you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes, in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet or the web can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free. And it has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, "Nice work, Mick Julian. Please do this for me." So, if by the end of this video you have liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up by my sleeve that can help your business with, so shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, so that works for me too. So now let me show you three things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So Google looks at how much content you have on your website, and that's what you are found for, and that's how they push you up to the top of search results. So they like to see a minimum of 1500 words on the front page. All right. So looks like you guys are running around based on here around 577 words on your front page. So not enough content for them to really find you relevant. So your competition, one of your top competitors here, when I went out and looked, so I searched in home cleaning services, Oakland, and here's the result. So by the way, this is called the map pack, and they're right there at the top of the map pack. All right. So the first thing went over is content, right? So you need to get that content up for 1500 words. So it looks like your competition here. On the other hand, BA house cleaning is around 1023 words. All right, so we have some room for improvement. We can definitely beat them out with content on the front page and also their back pages. So you see how many the back pages that they have. All right, here this is a back page. I'm sorry. Here this is a back page. So it's not much. All right, so it's actually beatable. So we need to add a bunch of pages here. All right, we need to add some back pages on your website, and um, of course, we need to definitely build this website up to have a lot of content coming through it. All right. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is links. Links. So let's talk about the second thing I want to go over with you today. So link juice or backlinks. All right. So this second pillar will really help you dominate on Google. All right. So when we search for home cleaning services Oakland and we scroll down past the map pack, you can see your site isn't number one. But that's what you where you want to be and want to get there. So you need authority. So how do you get authority? Well, it all comes down to backlinks, and a backlink is when one website links, all right, is when one website links to another website online. So think like this. If site A links to site B, then site A is giving site B some of its link juice, kind of like a vote of confidence, and in Google's eyes, this is passing authority. And the more relevant the site, the more valuable the link. So let me give you an example. All right. So if you get a local blog or industry site linking back to you, then great. But if you are a cleaning service company and you got a backlink from Pizza Hut linking to you, so not so great because you don't sell pepperoni. All right. So again, Here's your site. You have 50 backlinks. All right, not bad, but not dominant. All right. So now look at your competitor here. All right. So let's see the overview. So they have 2.8k backlinks in total. All right. So they've got 2.8k backlinks from strong and relevant sources. So once again, how do we get this? Well, with Ahrefs, a trusted tool, we can see exactly which sites are linking to them, and then we can go get those same links for your business. All right. So this next thing, all right, we're talking about is citation. It has everything to do with this map pack right here. And to get up there, it's about your name, address, and phone number being throughout the web on directories such as Yelp, CT Star, Yext, and all those different website directories. And it has to be your exact name as it appears on Google, exact address, and exact business phone number. All right, just like this one. Exact address, exact business phone number, and exact name. All right. So BA House Cleaning. So this is one of your top competitors. All right. Of course, it's got to be pushed throughout the web. So when I pulled a research here, and let me go back to return to results, I was in there looking at it. So BSB Clean team, you guys only have one citation, and of course, you need to get your citations above theirs to start beating them on the map pack. All right, so they have around 50 citations. So once we pass or get more citations, 60, 70, 80, 90, all right, or more, just or any number more than them, um it's actually beatable. All right, so um well, I click in here and I'm able to see the backlinks that, I mean, to see the citations that they have. All right, and we can go after these same citations so that we start beating them on the map pack. Okay. So, anyways, I give you the three things that I think that would tremendously help your site. It's content, and second is links. Third one is citations. All right. So if we do those three things today, we could start beating your competition down the road. So if you guys need any help with your web, kindly give me a call. All right. So again, um, my number is 804-208-0420, and my email is powershotleads@gmail.com. So again, this is Mick Julian. I know you guys are all really busy, so I'm going to let you go now. So again, thank you and have a great day ahead.